What's up, people? I am back solo vlogging today. I am going to the Formula 1 Grand Prix here in Canada. I'm super freaking excited. I was only supposed to show up for Qualis because that's all I purchased tickets for, but the craziest thing happened on my flight over to Canada from LAX. The dude I was sitting next to was in his F1 garb, and I was like, oh, are you going to the Formula 1 Grand Prix? And he's like, yeah, are you? And then, you know, we shared our teams, who our favorite people are, like predictions for the next race, all that good stuff. And when he found out that I was only going Qualis, he's like, wait, I have an extra ticket. Do you want to go race day? And I was like, yes, I would love to go race day, excuse me. So he gave me a ticket for race day for free. So I ditched my friend Jamie. He's gonna go explore some museums because he didn't really want to go back and buy another ticket. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog that journey. I have my $80 Ferrari hat. And yeah, the bus is here, so I will catch you when I get to the circuit because it's gonna be an hour-and-a-half journey. Later. Big surprise, shocker, Max won. Poor Leclerc though, he was starting from the very back, so, you know, didn't expect him to win. I really thought Carlos would catch him, catch Max, but it didn't happen. But, you know, it was a good race. Shout out to Yuki for crashing and making it interesting. Rip to Checo for his engine failure and loss of power, so good stuff. So what's up? Are you happy with the win today?
Yeah.
Alright. Gucci. Hey, on the track for today. Absolutely insane. What a freaking day. hello. And while we're here, I figured I'd clarify a few things. First of all, yes, I am wearing a Ferrari hat. I do love Charles and Carlos. They are awesome. I love the duo, the two of them. However, my true favorite team is Red Bull. I absolutely love the Red Bull brand. Red Bull gives you wings, it does. I follow a lot of their videos, and I just love how it's always about pushing boundaries. So I'm a big Red Bull fan. I absolutely love Checo. Man, it is the Mexican Minister of Defense. You'll see in this, or you probably have already seen, like, everybody loves Checo. This man is so well respected. It's unfortunate he wasn't able to finish the race today, but shit happens, right? And I'm a super Max fan. What can I say? I think it's awesome what he's doing. He's such a like young kid, like kicking butt, like doing big things. That's not to say like I'm against Lewis. I'm also for Lewis. There's really not a lot of drivers I dislike. The only drivers I dislike are Latifi, who you can always count on to be P16 or worse, and Lance Stroll, because Lance Stroll just has such the most like arrogant attitude in my opinion. And of course I would go to the Grand Prix. That's for the two drivers I dislike. So hopefully I can go to the Austrian Grand Prix next year. But yeah, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, and if you plan on going to the Grand Prix, or you now are suddenly interested in Formula One, watch Drive to Survive, like this video, and comment who's your favorite driver. I'm really curious. I love talking F1, so if any of you want to connect, that would be really cool. All right, laters, bye.